So list and describe the steps to the scientific method we mentioned yesterday. What are the 3 ways of performing psych that we talked about yesterday as well? There we go. There we go. We also mentioned about pseudoscience, phrenology, some wild stuff.
Me too.
Oh, Teagan, current event for tomorrow. Yeah, it's fine. You can present the research.
Yeah, but
No, you won't. You can just describe the research then to the history class. You can explain it. I'll know how to do this for Psych too. So, or if you want to do 2 separate, okay.
You could just go up there real confident and use that question.
Yeah, spike your iPad when you're done.
I was gonna say, how people don't pay attention. What class?
Leah,
Who's in this class?
come on now. Come on. Sarah,
Wait, what class is it?
I'm recording.
So? It's the truth, it's not me.
Oh. It's regular history.
I see your problem.
So you don't think Alex Hepler will enjoy the current event?
Yes, I'm worried about
I wouldn't worry.
Playing payday.
Do we need more time?
Yes.
Okay. All right, ready? Scientific method. Let's get to it. Where do we start? Where do we start? Chris, go ahead. You make an observation. Good job. So what is a naturalistic observation? We talked about this first day of class. What is a naturalistic observation, Leah?
You look at a person or organism from an outside perspective. Do not interfere. You just see what they're doing.
Okay, in their natural state. Good. So you're making an observation. Then what do you do? Next step, you ask a question. Good job. And this is the part of the description, right? Yeah. Then you formulate a hypothesis, an if-then statement, right? And what is that? Is that moving towards explanation? Second goal of psych, right? Hypothesis involved. Yeah, okay. Then what's the next step after you formulate a hypothesis? You make a prediction. So there's step 3, right? The goal 3 of psychology. So you make a prediction, see if this hypothesis is going to be standing the test of time after this experiment. Good. I kind of gave the next one away. What's the next step after making a prediction? Tegan? Experiment. Good job. So you test your hypothesis with the experiment. After the experiment, Roy, you analyze the results. Good job. So you look to see if any confounding variables are there present. You look to see if your variables, your if-then statement, your hypothesis was, standing at the experiment. Good. And if it's correct, what must you do before you publish your results? You conclude your results. Go ahead, Sadie. Yeah. Good job. You replicate it. Good. You replicate the study. Make sure there's no confounding variables. All right. Then you can report your results. You include it. But if it's wrong, let's just say it doesn't work out. Where must you go again? You go back to the beginning, right? You go back to formulating a hypothesis. Good. All right. Any questions on the scientific method? Make sure you know those steps. All right. 3 ways of performing psych. Give me one of them. Ryan? Teaching. Okay. Good job. So this kind of goes along the lines of experimental psychologists as they are a part of a university or college. So part of their job is to teach, educate, and the other part is run their experiments, prove their research. Okay, good. And really, the only way that this can work is because of the funding these universities and colleges have, maybe healthcare institutions, you name it. All right, maybe a private organization. All right, good, good. And I went through 2 of them, but what's the other one? Tanner? Applied psychology. Good job. So this is where we're applying the research. We're trying to benefit maybe some issues or conflicts someone might be having, and we're using the research that we acquired, okay, that maybe was done before, and we're applying it to try to benefit someone. All right, good. Any questions? All right. So the assignment for today, which you do have a little bit of time to work on this. Not yet. Going to be right now. So under origins of psychology, this text header, you'll see right here the assignment, origins of psychology. Publish it right now. You're going to refer to page 15 in your book. So those of you who are here, you can just check it out on page 15. You can open the book, or if you want to use the online textbook, you can, whatever you want to do. But this is going to go through the origins of psych and how we can apply it, looking at historical methods, historical perspectives of psych, which we'll get into more tomorrow. All right, any questions on what we're doing? All right, you have this done, ready to go for tomorrow.